Hi, welcome to Joy.Services. Today we are going to show you how to set up an instance at Joy.Services. So let's start it. Open www.joy.services and go to Login page and log in with your credential. Now we are going to log in. So you're on dashboard now. Here is your wallet balance, and here is your count of instance and resources used by instances. Now go to Manage and you will list of all your running instances. So let's create a new instance here. We click on Create Instance button. Here, now we are going to input the required RAM and core, and input the required storage, and make sure to select your zone. Here we are going to choose a plan for 1 month. Let's order the instance. So our order now is delivered. Now click on the same machine you ordered. Now we are going to install OS in that machine. Here you will see the latest available OS in for your instance. So we are going to choose Ubuntu 22 from them and click on Install OS. Here is confirmation pop-up. We click on OK, so please sit back and relax while OS is being installed. Here you will find the status of installing OS. It will take a few seconds only, and one more thing, you can also change your after install. So here OS is installed. Now we are going to log in the OS with credential. You will see first time login password on your screen, or you may change your password from password reset button. So we just copy our IP and put in CMD for SSH login. And also we will copy the password and now log in successfully, and now. If you need to renew, we just need to billing config of machine and click on plan you need, and damn that. How simple you can renew your machine. Here is thank you for watching this video, and make sure like, command, and share the video. If you're getting any problem, you can reach us out, joy.services/contact, or email us, support@joycloud.services. Thanks, happy cheering!